I'm not shy for go right now. And the problem about Kunami, the thinking then, family issue, body issue, picking issue. I make a can I get so for can smoke. And at times I not to sleep with them. And one way, where can I get so? I don't can get for smoke. And I must meet body with the smoke a jack pan, you want to at least I don't feel high. And they get so that for can ease with stress.
Hello and welcome to usual program building the mindset of young people in Sierra Leone. And me we can bring to this program me na Mwamila Funa. Today I dey in a street with the ghetto youths. We come for tell them about how them for build up a positive mindset. As young people, we make sure we engage ourselves into something. Because for sit only and get to you need to solve the problem. We get time them all they come and get together as young people. But now we get that kind of focus now. First of all, we all need to engage ourselves into something. Not so everybody destined for good formal education. If you're not able for good formal education, you learn a job. Make friends with people them we like-minded. If you want to be a good businessman, make sure you link up with people them when are business people them. We all get future and make we not lose hope. Make we just believe say if we build the mindset as young people from today, so we go engage into something, start somewhere. At the better now we'll be able to develop yourself, we'll be able to make a family, we'll be able to contribute to the good part of this country. That thought we then get about young people, when they say young people are Sierra Leone, all waiting they come down their mind is negative thing. May we build that kind of positive mindset, say we the young people of this country, we're not ready to move the country to another level. But the only way we will move this country to another level, if we get yourself engaged, we get to what we they do. If you not say you're not going to go school again, time for go learn work. If na business you want for do, go start business somewhere. Try to get business idea. You know, make people, if you not get starting, go around business people then who you see them get starting. As long as they build that trust and confidence in you, then they will give you so many opportunities. We don't get people them who don't go to Swazi, Abacha Street and other area. They don't go to nothing. First of all, they can hang and then shop, then they send them. From there, if they begin build a trust, some of them full of money they do business. When say one go pray, we say, well, I left quick go pray. But I send you this money, go left and from in a bank. From there, you self begin know the business and they learn the business. Most people and they are shop till they as head. Most people and they as manager. Most people and they don't transform their life, they go to the streets and don't with anything. But because of them, we go that kind of positive mind. As young person say, this now I want to accomplish. At the end of the day, they go for accomplishment. So I can't talk to us young people of this country. See, now we own the future of this country. Make we get that kind of positive mindset and contribute to the nation.
Adipa?
Yeah, go ahead.
Well, to always see relation to always see don't talk. It makes sense. All the people meet you now they get to man they happy. And they're not happy. Like some of you now always see some of you now graduates, but work no day. And that business side we talk to, yes, some of you have not business oriented. Now I mean, so like for going more into business, one way or the other, not to anybody they go meet in business place, just like that, it goes to you.
Sure,
especially how some of the parts you see we now they get to no more.
Sure.
You get me? And one way or the other, man, don't get the 1-2. Like as I say, we're not graduate, but we say I'm not happy. So like I made a see how, or if any opportunity come back, we're ready for pull out.
Problem about for Saturday then host for sleep and not go wool and no life. I get so I go car and I smoke, I nod by myself, I jack, I wake back, I smoke back, I sleep. Tell me they don't like that day, I'm not gonna sign up for them, I get so I did, bro. And if you saw long can have for come meet you now, you can meet you not to call you. And also you can say get for Kyle Kubra. Any good see where the country get full paper for Kyle Puna get so with the software. You know we country. And all this don't make we particularly me, hey papi, this gone. And this all don't make me I see this corona organ which we can't see. I see the left salon me back in the left me and they go.
Now one part the man where I land this new job we have do. One part the job this one do I electrical engineering and installation. But work no day. Bra money no day na the country. Bra. Not to say some man want beautify place, but money no day, work no day. At the first country this I see youth man, we do clean, you need a yagba for a job. You can work no day. So other country then they as do clean, they see youth man they ups and down.
Fight up.
But if I tell you the best skill man, at you get to you get up. I don't like by when people in office say man is don't get to be naive, we are there or not get to focus on you. But some of you get high responsibility for somehow with the good self now in our office.
Now that make I decide for Canton. Because I know some get people and we get potential. I admire with brother, they don't learn skill. That's not the way young people learn for the thing. Now the skill we don't learn, they don't keep on to himself, it transform to other person. So forget that kind of transformation day, we transform we life as individual. And again, I want to advise on as young people, drug abuse need to solve the problem. Most of the time, if you stress, you take drug, it will make you stress more. So let's try as best as possible for make you keep away from anything with the danger we have. Because some of them think then the danger will hurt them in the future. And now we hold this future of this country. If we all engage with self, I don't hear some of them are graduate, some of them are going for do business. Just like I say, we start from somewhere. We build on a mindset. Let we get that kind of negative mindset out of we mind. If you get that negativity in your mind, you know the problem you ever solve. Say now that way I don't start something, I don't get education. Not time for apply for job. Mingle with people then when our educationist. Mingle with people who are business people. The brothers they would learn skill. Go near them and learn something. Some man are messing around the area. Meet time they start for learning messing around. When you defend education, you just get forget that kind of struggle. But with time, if you learn work like this brother will learn work, time they come, your problem will solve. This is my usual online program we can come to you every Friday, powered by Creative Media Network. Una not forget for like, share and comment in with videos. Creative Media Network SL for Facebook and YouTube. And me when they bring to una this program, me na Mohamed Lamin Fuller. I want for use this opportunity for tell plenty thank you to the one that we don't like the video, we don't subscribe, and when they share. If we continue to share this particular video, we'll be able to create positive mindsets in the young people of this country, and we all will be able to contribute positively to the development of our salary. Until this program comes to back next week, goodbye.